Student's Book, page 54. 1. Listen and check the free time words you hear.
I'm bored. Everything's wet outside. I want to play soccer, but there's nowhere to play.
Yeah, and there's nothing to do here in the classroom. So we need to think of something, don't we? I have an idea. We haven't tried ping pong. We don't have anywhere to play ping pong in the classroom, Alex.
Yes, we do. We have everything we need. Books, desks, and a ball.
We've invented a great game. Yeah, it's fun. Does anyone else want to play? Yes, I do. Can I hit the ball?
Yeah, sure. Oh, look, someone's coming.
That's a strange hobby. I'm sorry, but you can't play it here.
Ugh.
Go outside, everyone. Find somewhere else to play, please. It stopped raining now.
Come on, then. Here, catch, Alex. Ouch! Now we have something to write about. Different hobbies.